Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Redmi 14R. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. And now you have to select this application and click install. Then click open. And now you have to click on agree and continue. Then you have to close this ad. And now click on allow. And click consent. Then you have to click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad. And as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.